Hello, you are all welcome to this abstract presentation entitled Global Neurosurgery in Sub-Saharan Africa, Estimating the Neurosurgical Workforce and Infrastructural Capacities in Cameroon, presented by me, Zolo Ivan. Authors declare no conflict of interest. Neurosurgical practice in Sub-Saharan Africa faces a lot of challenges, such as limited infrastructure, low neurosurgical workforce, and huge gap in neurosurgical care provision. Cameroon equally faces most of these challenges. This study is therefore an essential step in overcoming these challenges, given that it provides a concrete image of the neurosurgical workforce and infrastructural capacities of Cameroon. Ladies and gentlemen, we performed a cross-sectional and analytical survey where data on neurosurgical workforce, neurohydrological equipment, and neurosurgical infrastructure capacities of Cameroon were collected using forms. These data were then analyzed using SPSS2020 and summary statistics were generated. Ladies and gentlemen, our results. We found out that Cameroon had 25 neurosurgical providers, 84% of which were neurosurgery consultants and fellows, 12% were professors, and 4% were general surgeons. 76% of this neurosurgical workforce was found in the economic and political capitals of the country. We also observed that Cameroon had 11 neurosurgical centers, 63.6% of which were owned by the public sector, while 36.4% were owned by the private sector. 45.4% of these centers were level 1 and 2 facilities. Up to 63.6% of the population lived more than 4 hours away from these facilities. We also observed that Cameroon had 17 CT scans and 4 MRIs. 61.9% of these neurohydrological equipment were found in the public sector, while 38.1% were owned by the private sector, and 90.5% of these equipment were found in the economic and political capitals of the country. We also observed that the average cost of a head CT scan in Cameroon was $118 US. This picture summarizes our findings, where the far north, Adamawa, east, south, and west region had 1 CT scan each with no neurosurgeon nor MRI scan. The north region had 2 neurosurgeons and 1 CT scan, while the central region had 10 neurosurgeons, 13 CT scans, and 4 MRI. The littoral region had 9 neurosurgeons and 9 CT scans with 2 MRI, while the north and the southwest region of the country had 2 neurosurgeons and 2 CT scans each. Ladies and gentlemen, therefore concluded that the neurosurgical practice in Cameroon suffers multi-sectoral challenges, and the greatest proportion of the population lack access to safe and timely neurosurgical care. These are the authors of this study, our references. Thank you very much.